What is good, world? Happy New Year. And this is the video where I show you how we are going to capitalize off of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is cooking right now. It is at almost $50,000, aka 45 and 46,000 at the time of recording this video. This video ain't going to have no edits, no chops, no cool shit popping out. This is going to be me just showing you exactly how I was able to make $600 from this amazing room off of this phone. I'm going to show you how I did it. I'm also going to show you how I made other people well over $1,000. And we're also going to be showing you how you can predict for yourself what you think about Bitcoin, what you think of this amazing stock. But this amazing stock is the number one, to me, stock that will capitalize off of Bitcoin. And if you don't know, you won't know. We've been talking about this shit for 2 years plus. So we're going to get into that. And if you stay tuned to the end of the video, you are going to be able to see how I use ChatGPT to earn me $600 from the house. And that was just 600. Imagine when Bitcoin goes to 100,000 to 200,000, etc. I'm gonna show you some exact stats, articles, etc. We're gonna get into all that. But if you want the prompt, what you're gonna do is you're gonna click below in the description and sign up for the newsletter, and you're gonna comment the word Bitcoin, and I got you. It's lit. Okay, so first and foremost, what I'm gonna do is we ain't wasting no time. You feel me? Let's make my screen a little. Let me move this around. Move my little circle around. So you see, this is a CNBC article, and I want you to see that these are the oldest Bitcoin predictions, or excuse me, the boldest Bitcoin predictions for 2024. So it's not just me talking shit from the room. I'm gonna show you how much money I was able to make and stuff. But let me first show you. This is from December 31st, when 2023, as you see, 2023. So we scroll down, and I want to show you something. What's this dude say? Mark Mobius, $60,000 prediction. You see, forecast Bitcoin would drop $20,000 when trading above 28,000, and it tells you kind of his past history and what he's basing the predictions off of. Next, Bit Mining believes it's going to 75,000, can reach a high of 75,000 by 2024. Okay, and I want to show y'all something. You see right here, it's at 44. This was from I believe last night, but right now the shit is at almost $46,000. Coin shares predicted to go to where? 80,000. Remember, CNBC made this article. Some made up news. Nexo, $100,000 it believes that the amazing coin will go to, as well as Carol Alexander. This is a University of Sussex professor in finance. You can look up all of her credentials, etc. So these are the people that believe where Bitcoin is going, 125,000. So you get the point, right? So what I want to do also is we did that little bit of research. So we were able to do that research. Let me know if y'all can hear me, but we were able to do that research. And then I want to show you another article here for Bitcoin. It says Bitcoin to 150,000. This was written in the summer. And if you don't know, you won't know. At the time of writing that article, Bitcoin was somewhere in the 20,000s. And now as we sit here and talk to you, this shit is almost 50,000. You hear me? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump over to the Discord to show you some other people who made money. And I'm going to show you exactly myself. I made money from the phone, and I'm going to show you my exact portfolio. Okay, this is going to be an amazing straight to video. And you let me know in the comments, did you ever make money from Mara? Do you like this stock? You let me know. Type the word MARA. Okay, so we are here in the Discord. So you see my Discord right here. Bitcoin was at 43K. We keep scrolling, and you see people were making profits. People were making profits, right? As you see in Discord, a lot of people were making money. And even myself, you see here on the 27th, I made what? Ain't no cap in my rep. You can really zoom in and you can see $600. $600 is made right here, just off of me getting shares. And I did this using ChatGPT and my own knowledge. So I typed in a special prompt that I'm going to give you only if you click the newsletter and comment the word Bitcoin. I typed in a phrase that I'm going to show you on the screen. Not only did it tell me when to buy the stock, whenever it goes to a certain price, how much I should buy, what will it do to my average cost, how many shares do I need to have, when I should sell for profits, all of this shit. And again, this ain't financial advice, huh? Because I'm not your financial advisor. I ain't Warren Buffett. I'm just telling you some shit I did. Okay. As you see, I made that 600. Very beautiful. And at the time of me making that 600, that was when Mara was at 30 only $30. And we know in the past that Mars went all the way up to $74, right? Here's an example of another person making some money, right? You see they made 570 option call. Mara. Ain't no cap Mara app. It says Mara right there. Mara went crazy. Scroll down some more. See some people taking profits on different things. There's a couple other profits. And you see here, what? Mara, someone else in the Discord. I'm giving these plays out, and if you want these plays, you got to make sure you sign up for the free newsletter, bro. I'm the Black Indiana Jones. You hear me? So this another little $26. Scroll down. More people taking profits. This guy right here is actually buying gold. He's interested in purchasing gold. You see here, what? More capitalization, another almost $200, $188 made off of Mara. So this is me announcing that Bitcoin is about to hit 45,000, and then it ended up hitting 46. So you saw what I made, but now what I want to do is show you again what currently at recording this video. You'll probably see this in probably 15 minutes after I recorded. Okay, so this is the price of Mara. So I want you to see right here. This is the price of my favorite stock, Mara. Now, if you don't know, you won't know. I suggest y'all go follow a dude named Power of Publish 2.0 on TikTok. He dropped some gems there as well because he's going to give you a lot of altcoins that y'all can go grab or look at while Bitcoin is in this bull market. Because when I tell you right now, if you new to investing, again, this is not financial advice. I'm just telling you shit that we did over the last 2.5 years. And when I tell you, bro, Mara went from $4 to, as you see right here on a light day, is $22.94. And the craziest thing about this is that it was just $30. And this is the number one Bitcoin miner in the world. They have the most Bitcoin in the world. And if you don't believe me, you can Google it. They have the most Bitcoin mined in the world. They have the most miners. They are cooking shit. Them, Riot, and a couple other ones, but Mara is my favorite, right? So now what we're going to do is you're going to scroll down and you see still an extra $350 just by having shares. This is nothing made up. You don't have to assume, because you know the thing that's crazy is that I'm reading a book called The Psychology of Money. And you know the thing we predicate life on so much is money, but no one teaches you about money. When you go to school, the teachers don't teach you about money. You go to college, and the college professor, this nigga makes 60,000. He teaching you, but y'all gave him 100,000. So what I'm saying is, in the psychology of money, they show you that investing is brand new. The savings account was invented maybe 600 BC by somebody, but investing in Fibonacci's and all this stuff, this is new, bro. You talking about less than 75 years old. So for you not mastering your 401k and not mastering the art of investing and all these, all the people that want to be gurus and have all these screens and trade a bunch of shit is new. So you can do that if you want. I'm just an investor. I pick companies I believe in, and I simply do the research, look at the news sentiment, and watch who else is invested in it. This is a Bitcoin mining company, and the only time I've ever seen things get exponentially crazy is with crypto. Crypto is the only way or asset I know of, maybe y'all can enlighten me in the comments, that is going to get you a 2,000% return, a 14,000% return. Like, only crypto can have these type of profits, and this is enabling you to capitalize on the best of both worlds, because this is not no joke. This is a $5 billion company. You see, ain't no cap rep. This is a $5 billion company. You see it, and they mine Bitcoin. So every time Bitcoin goes up, guess what you can look for? This, Riot, Hut. But this is just my favorite of the bunch. Again, we're going to keep buying this. My goal is to have $10,000 invested in Mara only by the spring. So y'all hold me to it. In the chat, in the comments below, you let me know if you have any Mara. Do you believe in this stock at all? As you see, plus 350. And I was actually going to get an option call. So if you stay tuned to the end of the video, I'll actually call out. So if you stay tuned to the end of the video, I'll actually call out some of the things that you can do to get an option call. It's up to you if you get it or not, but this is just something I'm leaning towards because I got some plays from some people that are doing pretty well, and we're basing this off of the sentiment we just read. So look, this is ChatGPT. You hear me? And ChatGPT told me yesterday that 80% of all the money that was ever printed was just printed within the last couple of years. So they're still printing shit. But this is the thing about Bitcoin, it doesn't correlate to money. This is its own blockchain. and currency system, I guess we'll call it. So look at this. I typed in the phrase, and I'm not going to go through it word by word right now, but I typed in a phrase, and then it tells me exactly what to do. That's the stocks that are correlated with Bitcoin, the stocks that have the most Bitcoin. You could take a look at this for yourself. And this is news to me. I didn't know PayPal had that much Bitcoin. Coinbase has a ton of Bitcoin. So as you see the list of the top currency cryptocurrencies, and then what I did was look at this. I had it make me some option calls. I typed in, this is my portfolio. This is where I want it to be. I told it it was a stock market expert, etc. And it gave me some of the best stocks to do, some of the best stocks to purchase, some of the best ETFs, how to invest in them. And look, it even gave me some options. You see what I'm saying? But what I really want to do is scroll a bit. Y'all seeing this in real time, so just let me find it. Okay. So look, I said I want to keep my average cost of Mara under $15. You can type in specifically what you want if you want, or you can just sign up for the newsletter and get on this video and comment the word Bitcoin. I'll send you the prompts right to your email. So you see, Mara will be the biggest position. It will be my biggest position when Bitcoin hits 100K. Boom. And then I said the current price of Mara. You can you can upload this with current real time information. Make me strategies to get my portfolio to 10K the fastest. Now I want one that's only going to be just stocks. One's another strategy that's going to be stocks and mainly Mara, and the third one that's going to be stocks and options. And what did it do? It told you, it said buy additional shares if Mara dips below 20. And then it tells you what your average cost is going to be. Then it even had the nerve to tell me when to sell. Sell 50% of it when it reaches 50. Like, look at all this, bro. Like, you know how much you would have to pay to get a financial advisor and all these things to get this these educated hypothesis, we're gonna call it. You feel me? This is the fastest way you're gonna get some bread. You know what I'm saying? So VTI, this is my favorite ETF. It tells me when to buy it, when it dips, how much I should buy, when to sell. And then this is the second strategy. Look at this. It says if Bitcoin hits 100,000 mark, could potentially reach $70 to $100 based on past correlation. And this is the sell strategy. Here's my weekly investments. And here's the third option with stock options that it believes if I do these things, I will have the fastest way to get to my portfolio to 10 racks. So then I started playing around with it a little more. And I want to show you something super fire. Look at this. Okay, look. Now what I had to do is I had it make me a chart, y'all. Y'all watching this shit in real time. I need y'all to drop a like on this video. And if you like these kind of videos, let me know. I'll make more. What I did was I had it make me a chart that shows what the price prediction will be of Mara and all my other stocks and even all the top Bitcoin mining stocks predicated on what price Bitcoin goes to. So example, watch this. So, based on these principles, make me a step-by-step chart from Mara, etc. When Bitcoin hits 50,000, 55,000, 60,000, 65,000, and $5,000 increments until we get to 200K. And look what it did. So, any of y'all out there, if you're looking to get option calls, if you're looking to invest in stocks, whatever yourself, like, damn, how much will I make when this goes here? When Bitcoin gets 100,000, you scroll to 100,000 Bitcoin, and you see that Mara should be around $85 to $95 when it gets to 100. So, you could start. This is going to help you a lot when you're doing option calls, option puts, because you could do it the reverse as well. Hey, show me every time Bitcoin went to 20,000. You know what I'm saying? And it's amazing. It's going to give you the volatility consideration, all the other stuff. It's going to tell you that this is not financial advice because it's not. But I also inputted a little info for when last 2 years ago, Mara was between $64 and $74 when Bitcoin was at about 65,000. So it gives you another chart right here. You can add on as many other stocks as you want, but this to me is absolutely amazing. Mara is a stock that I believe will explode your portfolio, explode, because it is predicated on Bitcoin. If you don't got no crypto, myself personally, I was going to invest heavily in the stock market, but now I'm going to get as much Mara, Apple as I can. Everything else, I want to get as many crypto coins as I can because the only way to get exponential growth of that magnitude will be for me to capitalize on crypto. You let me know if you think crypto is lit. Is it phony? Is it trash? Y'all already made fun of NFTs, but while y'all was bullshitting on NFTs, Bitcoin then almost touched $47,000. It's the 10th biggest asset in the entire world. You let me know what you think. Until next time, people, make sure you like the video, And in the description, remember, sign up for that newsletter so I can go ahead and get you this prompt. And comment what y'all think of the stock Mara. MARA is the ticker symbol. Until next time, people. Stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. You did. Oh, yeah, my hand's still here, y'all.